Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com. I'm excited to share with you my review and unboxing of the Women's Collective subscription box. I agreed to do this review because I love the concept behind it. It's basically a subscription box that curates products made by women for women, and I just love the idea of that. So we're gonna go ahead and open this box and take a peek. This is the Spring 2020 box, and so this is what it looks like when it arrives to you. Looks like we have a catalog, and I love this because that is gonna kind of give us an idea of what's inside, I hope. And this is the way you're gonna know, hopefully you're gonna be introduced to new products when you get these boxes and support these businesses from there. It's a great way to find new products and companies. So as you can see in this catalog, we have, they kind of show us what's in the box and tell us a little bit about them. So why don't we start with the planner? Okay, it looks like that's by Hardran Epoch, a minimalist planner that is sure to add style to your daily routine. That is really a pretty planner, isn't it? I like how simple it is. You want to turn it over? We can get a look at it. Oh, that's so pretty. I hope I pronounced that name right, but that is really, really a pretty planner. 12-month planner, okay. So next, we've got Bisbee, a candle made with natural soy wax, a blend of essential oils, fragrance oil, and a lead-free cotton wick. Ooh, do you want to open up that? We'll get a smell of that. Let's see. Ooh, that smells really good. Okay, that's really nice. I love that it's a soy candle too. Okay, next we've got Nash and Jones clay mask. A clay mask that gently exfoliates dead skin cells, deep cleanses pores, lifts blackheads, and tightens skins. I'm always up for a good mask, so that's really neat. Okay. Let's see, how about the earrings? Made by Mayberry, a band of handmade clay earrings made exclusively for this collective box. Okay, you want to turn that around? Oh, I love this. So you've even got like little notes about the creators and information on where to contact them. It's got her email address right there. That's so neat. Okay, those are really cute. And then lastly, we've got the Larkin Ives wallet, a thin and sleek wallet and card holder, all in one that keeps your cards, coins, and receipts together. I love that. That's really pretty, isn't it? So when you send these boxes or when you get them for yourself, you're not only getting a nice collection of gifts, you're getting them at a discounted value. This box sells for around $55 and has a value of, I think I read, up to $200. I'll clarify that in the comments. But really, like, you couldn't curate these gifts yourself to send to someone, and not to mention the shipping. This is quite a substantially filled box. Like, it would ship for quite a bit. So right there alone, to send this box to yourself or someone else is quite a nice value. I will include links as to where you can get your own subscription box and find out more about this company. This is the Women's Collective subscription box, and I think it's pretty neat. Very impressed with the brands and the women that they're putting featuring in these boxes and the way they present it. So there you go. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.